What's up, guys? Today I'm playing Barry, but yeah, I don't know like the game, but it's on the screen. It's like basically this game on the screen, but it's birds, bird. Yep, it's birds. I found this new game. It only has 100 meters. So yeah, it has 100 meters. So sorry. Wait. Yep. It has 100 meters. So yeah, it's like the same as the game. I'm just gonna try to get up. I'm gonna be the first one to what? 1,000 meter. Oh! Every 10 meter. There is yeah, the thing. The respawner. Yeah, it's respawner. It's the respawner, so yeah. So yeah. Let's go. Jump. Let's go jump. Ah! Oh my god. I will end it at 50 meters. And you want to see part 2? Make sure to like and subscribe. Wait, what? Okay. But we're not there yet, so. Oh! I was so close. That's it. I'm gonna speed run. Oh my god. Jump. Okay, I'm gonna end it not at 50 meters because do you know how long I can end it? Okay, that's the end of the video. There's gonna be like 10 million parts. So bye.